Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Days Challenge, and apologies for the late update. So actually I'm doing one day before, which is the yesterday update itself, so on day aim in 675. So I would say nothing much has changed. Equity balance and what I mentioned right now, not into any trades. So right now the market, especially for crypto itself, as you can see, is extremely clearly kind of neutral territory. If I were to look for a trade right now, specifically on the day trading wise, I'll definitely be looking for a particular token which has much more significant volume, and secondly, in terms of a price action wise, in order for a very decent move, simply because at the end of the day, you still do have to consider the trading fees that is in percentage term wise. So without volatility, you would not be able to make a decent risk to reward in terms of a compounded kind of probability setting in that sense. All right, and if you look across for US equity market, we're still leaning towards slightly neutral to a little bit bearish, but we do see some sort of short-term support for both the red bearish candlestick itself does have a very long way from the bottom itself. So those are signs of strength in that sense. And overall, if you look in terms of say ASHR itself, we do see the red candlestick, but bear in mind we're still above the last final key support, so nothing to be too concerned about. Technically, we are still strong. And finally, for the strongest market among the four is definitely KWEB. We're very clearly consolidating between this $29 region itself and this $32 region itself. So until we break decisively below this 20 exponential moving average, it's definitely not showing any signs of weakness. In fact, we found support over here. Potentially, we could find support over here and consider really found support over here. So we do consolidate very nicely, and then we can break towards the upside. That will perhaps give us a very much strong kind of momentum to retest even this $35 or even this $42 region itself. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, like I mentioned, it's very clear that we are consolidating right now. Two signs to say. Firstly, we are consolidating very nicely between this 15.6K region to 17.8K or 18K region itself. And secondly, you can see a very clear, distinct kind of a drop in terms of volume wise. So each time there's a spike and a spike and a spike and a spike, but very distinctively, each of these spikes is lower than the previous spike. So it's a very clear distinct that we're definitely in a consolidation phase, and it could definitely stretch out all the way until end of this year itself, which is not a lot of days. So I'll say it's still potentially possible to stretch out for another week until the opening for 2023 itself, which perhaps could mark a very distinct shift towards the either direction itself, in which case then I could potentially look for a trade on a shorter time frame. Otherwise, with that said, I've come to the end of today, and then I'll be doing a quick update in terms of the overall weekly itself. So that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.